Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to show you how to fix Google Play Store is not responding problem. Don't waste your time, let's go. First of all, open your Play Store apps and just tap on top right corner your profile picture and scroll down, just tap on settings and then tap on about. Finally, just update Play Store app. Go back and now just go to your phone settings and open this. Just see here apps and just search Play Store. Play. This is Google Play service. Just tap on here and then just force stop. Just OK. And now tap on storage and just clear cache and now clear data. Just clear all data. Then go. Now tap on permissions. Make sure all permissions allow one by one. Just sample. Tap on allow. Go back. Again back and again search this here. Just write play. See here Google Play Store and just open this. And now tap on force stop. Just OK. And tap on storage and now clear cache. Then tap on clear data. Now delete. Go back and now tap on permissions. Just tap on contact. Allow. Now you confirm all permissions allow and then go back. Now restart your phone. Tap on again, tap on restart. After restart your phone, I hope your problem already solved. If you found this video helpful, so please subscribe to my channel for another important video. Thank you.